if there's anything that I hate in this world, it's getting somebody else's poop stuck on my penis when I use the toilet to shart, not in my own home. So like, I love to travel, but I just absolutely hate going to public toilets and public porta potties and having to shart. And literally, like, even though my penis is small, like, it's still like big enough to touch like the edge of the toilet seat. And I just hate when there's like poop stains on those like edges of the toilet seats and they touch my penis and my tip, and I just feel really uncomfortable, and I just try to avoid that at all costs. And so today I wanted to make this video to share with you guys my routine when I travel or just when I poop not in my own toilet. So when I'm at home, I have like a perfectly sized toilet that like my penis does not touch the edge of the toilet seat. I have a Bite It that cleans my butthole and 2-ply toilet paper. That's amazing, so I never have to worry. But for example, if I'm going to the airport, right, even if I pick like the singular bathrooms, like it's still a public toilet. I went to Joshua Tree this past weekend. I went to Anza Borrego. I went to scuba dive at Catalina Island, and there were lots of porta potties and just lots of places that are disgusting. So basically, I'm talking too much, but I want to just share with you guys my routine. And my routine is whenever I have to poo in public, in a public place that's gross, I bring a really big jacket. So obviously you don't have to use like a winter jacket like this one, but I have this because I went to school at Boston University and my friends live in New Jersey. So I do need like a winter jacket, and I usually bring this when I travel over there. And so I'm just gonna go use this as the example for today, but you can use really any jacket, any hoodie, or you know, if worst case scenario it's super hot, use your shorts. I get this really big jacket and I overload it, like the pockets in this jacket, with essential things. So the first being Cottonelle poop wipes, or literally any poop wipes that you like. I like Kirkland from Costco because it's like super cheap, but I wouldn't say it's like the best feeling or the best smelling. I personally love Cottonelle the most, and so for example, this jacket's really big, right? So I keep poop wipes literally in this big pocket on the side. And you know, you can, if you don't have a big winter jacket or like it's super hot, it's okay. You can use a hoodie. Like for example, like I overload my hoodie, you know, with this. Worst case scenario, I just put it in my shorts or hold it. But this is an essential. So I put this, you know, in a pocket first. Next thing, when I poop in a public place or public porta potty or toilet, the other pocket, I always keep hand sanitizer that's like spraying. So obviously you can use hand sanitizer that's like not spraying too, but I love to like have like a bottle of spray for the hand sanitizer because we're going to be using this on the toilet and literally anything that you don't necessarily just want to touch because they're like dirty. So let me take these out of the pockets. So I overload these, right? And most places have just 1-ply toilet paper, which is disgusting. So I never really use the toilet paper ever, right? So that's why I use the wipes and the sanitizers to clean up everything. So it's very simple. What I do is I just go into the toilet or the bathroom or the porta potty. I look at the toilet seat, and I also lift the toilet seat all the way up, just with my feet. I don't want to freaking touch it, right? So I observe, right? And most of the time, if it's a public place, you are going to see lots and lots of just either pee stains or poop stains just all over the seat. And especially if it's a small seat, you definitely want to make sure that like the front part of it is like clear, because that's the part that's going to be touching your penis. And so observe, lift up the seat, probably gonna be super dirty. So what I do is I like to start personally at the most gross parts. So I wouldn't clean the top of the seat until I lift it up and I clean the bottom of the seat, because that's like the real disgusting part, right? Let me give you guys like a visual representation. This is a toilet seat, okay? And this is the actual toilet. I lift it up like this and I clean this, like the bottom part of the seat, and also the rim of the toilet. Look at both. They're both very important. Next, spray, spray, spray. I spray the frick out of the bottom of the toilet seat, and I also spray the frick out of the rim, right? This is very important. Don't spray the top of the toilet yet. Spray the bottom of the toilet seat, which is gonna be lifted up, the vertical one, and then also the rim of the toilet, okay? Spray, 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 like literally like a million sprays. Then you are not going to use these poop wipes unless you absolutely need to clean the toilet. Use napkins, use what they have. Their toilet paper that they provide for you is not going to be used on your booty at all. You are going to use a lot of that to just clean the bottom of the toilet seat and the top of the toilet rim, okay? Hella clean, just wipe everything. It's gonna be so gross, but just keep doing it, clean everything. Now, once everything looks clean, you're going to put down the toilet seat, and then you're going to clean the top of the toilet seat, okay? So spray, 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 spray. This is like the final touch, okay? So spray, 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 spray. Wipe everything, put it all into the toilet. You don't have to put it in the trash, disgusting. Put it all into the toilet. Then, you are going to take the toilet paper that they provide you, take a small strip, maybe like 3 pieces of it, put it on the left side of the seat, and then do the same thing with the right side. I personally don't like the, you know those paper toilet seat covers that they have? I don't like those because you have to like poke a hole in the middle, and then sometimes like they get stuck on like your butt, and then like the poop gets stuck on the thing that like is ripped off, and it's just not very convenient for me. And everyone's butt is shaped differently, so I just like to outline both sides of the toilet seat with toilet paper, okay? Now, after that, you're going to take a poop and obviously do your business. I always wipe a million times after I shart, so personally, my first wipe is going to be with the toilet paper that they provide you, because I feel like using a wipe, like there might be like a chunk of poop stuck on your hole and you don't want to like go straight with the wipe, I guess. I just feel like it would be a waste. So the first wipe will be just to like gauge how dirty your butthole is. So I like to use toilet paper that they give you, but we're not going to be using it for a long time, don't worry. It's going to be very weak, very disgusting toilet paper, okay? So I get like, I roll that shit up, like I get like a lot. It's not even just like 2 pieces and like wipe, because then it's gonna like bleed through and then you're gonna end up getting poop in your fingers. Roll the TP, wipe the chunk off your hole, kind of gauge to see like how much you're gonna be using and stuff, put it in the trash. Then, that's when this comes in. You are going to wipe your butthole a lot with this, because there's no bite it most of the time, unless you're in Japan. Arigato gozai. So wipe. I like to wipe with one side, and then I like to fold the poop wipe, fold the poop wipe. 3 times is, I would say, is what they could do. Throw it away until your butthole is fully clean, okay? Then, okay, you are going to take an extra wipe and just wipe your cheeks, because that's disgusting to have, you know, someone else. Like when I don't do this, like my butt cheeks get really itchy from like just sitting in like a foreign toilet seat. That's disgusting. Even if you have toilet paper like outlined, like still like wipe your cheeks. If you need to, use hand sanitizer on the wipe and then wipe your cheeks. Then put everything in the toilet, including the lined toilet seat, the toilet paper that was like on the seat on the left and right, like put that all in the toilet. You're gonna flush. I continuously flush throughout the entire process, because I don't ever want to like get clog up like a public toilet, or like clog up like someone else's toilet, whatever. Clean all of that, and oh yeah, so that's how I avoid getting someone else's poop stuck on my penis. The most important thing, or like I guess like related to this specifically, like getting like poop on your penis, when you poop in public, you want to like sit a little bit more back, because like, you know how like when you poop sometimes you're like this, and then if you're in like a public toilet and the toilet is like smaller, like the seat, you might like touch the edge of the toilet with your penis. You want to sit just a little bit back, kind of like not squatting, but kind of like more like dainty, like you're kind of sitting like with your butt more back and your torso more forward, to avoid your penis touching the edge of the toilet seat. So that's what I do, and I also like don't want to push my penis down too much, because if I do, then it might touch the toilet bowl, and it just depends on the size. But basically, like you be the judge of like how much back you want to sit and how far down you want to push your penis, because every toilet is different, every body is different. And so that's how I avoid getting someone else's poop stuck or just touching my penis, because that's very gross. And you want to avoid this at all costs when you are sharding, not in the comfort of your own toilet. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. That helps a lot. My album's coming out this Friday. Please save the link below. Book me for a personalized video on Cameo, link below. Kids, everything, link below. Love you guys so much. Let me take a thumbnail photo and then I'll let you go. It's raining. Do you hear the rain? This is not a sponsored video, by the way.